Okay, it may actually be a slow news day overall for the MetaQuest 3 or VR in general. Maybe it's been a slow news week overall, but it's not a slow game week for VR. Okay, The Boys actually just came out earlier this week as of recording this, as well as, other games are expected to come out. By the way, if you want to get 10% off games such as this and whatnot, The Boys and whatnot, I'll put a link in the description to The Boys as well as other games. Just enter code TECH at checkout for 10% off MetaQuest games. Okay. So, yeah, The Boys is one of the things that is now part of VR. Okay, let's go ahead and make it bigger. Yeah, The Boys is it's in VR now. Okay, we have this. This is basically, oh, I guess it's the equivalent of the serum that gives you temporary powers. Yeah, I actually watch The Boys or watch The Boys. We'll watch The Boys. It's a bit interesting. Oh, and this looks like there's potentially a fighting scene that's going to be afoot. So that's pretty interesting overall. So yeah, games like this, other games coming to VR, the VR experience, as it were, seems pretty n- still intact. Like I said, it may be a bit slow on news day, but it's not for VR per se, VR games. Let's actually go home and see what the top charts are right now. Okay. So the top trending, these are the trending, but I'm more interested in the most anticipated. Okay, The Boys was on the list for most anticipated. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles also on said list. Beyond Sandbox is also on the list. And then we have Postal 2 VR. There's lots of stuff that are on the list. Little Nightmare VR. This has a little thing. I actually like when the games have this sort of thing. I wish they had more of them. Yeah. I wish more games had that kind. Okay, that's kind of creepy. I'm technically sitting down as I'm doing this. My brain knows I'm sitting down, but my eyes are like, wait, am I sitting down? But yeah, I am. Okay. So yeah, let's go back to the anticipated games again, shall we? And are you anticipating any of these games? Are you like waiting for any of these games? I'm curious. Like I said, The Boys came out earlier this week, and then some of the games I'll admit I haven't heard of, but I have technically heard of Little Nightmares. I've never played it personally, but I have heard of it. But if you want to see some games I have played, I have a channel called Vamp Plays. You can check out, link in the description below. I play the video games. Okay, this is an anticipated game. Oh, it says it's coming March 31st. Interesting. It's a single player game. It's a role playing game. So RPG. Okay, interesting. Let's see. And it says it's VR as well. Okay, I'm just going through some of the games. That Space Control, which seems to be an interesting thing. Evil Inside, The Amusement, Out of Sight. I actually originally didn't come into this video just to see the list of um, top charts or most anticipated or anything like that. I just, thought it would be fun because, like I said, there may not be a lot happening in VR specifically, but there are VR games coming out. Some pretty big title games, okay? And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, big title games. I've only seen like $15 to $30 games. Well, the price the price range on VR is a little bit different than you'd see on like Nintendo or like the Switch 2 or PS5 or Xbox Series X and S or anything like that. So yeah, the price thing is a little bit different. Let's actually see Evil Inside. Oh, I'll be honest, I really do like when they have this because I don't know, I feel like it gives me a feel of how the game is going to be. Yeah, you know what I mean by that? How the game is going to be. And I feel like more developers should do this with their games. They don't, but they should. But yeah, I think I've rambled on quite a bit. Oh, that game even does it. Oh, okay, this is a fighting game. Oh, that had co-op. Oh, honestly, okay, guys, honestly, this game looks so fun. I think I'm gonna add it to my wish list. It looks so fun. When this game comes out, feel free to use code TACK 10% off. But yeah, with that said, I think I'm going to end it off here. And with that said, yet again, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.